I realized once I went to go edit the videos and I had recorded a bunch all at once and decided to go edit that I actually never went over our cars and what we were doing with them. So let's do that. So this is gonna be in the future. You're watching a video about when we're just moving in, but let's go over the cars. So this is a 77 C3 Corvette. I paid too much money for it. And the only reason it's here really is because its power steering pump went out and it has a transmission leak. So we're just fixing that and they're gonna get it out of here. So it doesn't have a long life here. We do have some plans on it in the future, which I'm not gonna get into right now, but they're really cool. Over here though, this is a 76 Nova that we're gonna turn into a drag car. There's other body panels are up there. They're all fiberglass. So that's all fiberglass. This is all steel original. It's been back half with 4-link suspension. Has some big old tires on it. And yeah, this is gonna be our drag car. It's gonna be an 8th mile car. That's what all of the tracks are around us for 8th miles. So maybe one of these days we're gonna do some 1/4 mile, but for the time being, it's gonna be 1/4 mile. I'm sorry, 8th mile. And yeah, I just want to give you a little update on the cars and what we had going on with them because I forgot to do that.
What is going on, everybody? It's good to be back on the camera. Really just been focused on cleaning this place up. It's finally starting to look like a shop, which is really nice. Still got some more cleaning to do, have some more stuff to bring in. Not a lot more, I don't have much room left. Some of this needs to go into storage, it's not staying in here. Finally got our fans installed, which is fantastic. Today's only 90, which is nice, but yesterday was 104. Can't have them on when I'm recording audio. They're too loud, which is why they're off right now. And so, yeah, just really happy to be back here, be back on camera. So I think something I really need to start doing is opening all of this stuff. This is all stuff that needs to get built and needs to find a place to go. We got our welders, we got our metal brakes, we got pipe benders, sandblaster, parts washer, maybe more. I don't remember. I bought a lot. So need to go ahead and get all that open. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the GoPro up right over here and time lapse it and just kind of go through it all. I'll kind of let you know what it is I'm going through. Time lapse putting it together, and then who knows, maybe 6 months or a year from now I'll give you a review on it, see how it worked out. So let's get started. Hey, real quick though, let me give you an update on our shelving situation. So I gave the little one back, got a big one that shelves fit, which is great. Over here I took some of the shelving units we didn't have, or we did have that wouldn't quite fit, and cut them off, cut about 3 or 4 inches off, had to clip some of these off the sides, but they're all here, they're good to go. So now we have shelving. Don't know exactly what's gonna go into here, probably storage, put some pallets down here, store some engines, transmissions, whatever we have that really we don't wanna pick up on here because, let's be honest, no one's gonna do that. So yeah, and so I think it was obvious, I gotta start with the welding stuff. Probably the stuff costs the most out of everything. I think I got this thing 25% off and then bought the 2-year warranty on it, and it cost me $1,200. So really excited to get this open, start using it. I don't really know how to weld all that well. In theory, I know how it's done. I did a little bit in school, but not enough to say I could weld anything. Brother knows a little bit more. Dad knows a whole lot. So although Dad doesn't know how to do TIG, so my dad's really excited to learn how to do TIG on this. I'm really excited to watch everyone else do it because I'm gonna do other stuff. I think I got the welding cart to go with it. So let's set up the time lapse and get all these things open. Got it all put together, wasn't too bad. I suck at following directions, had to redo a few things, but here we are.
Okay, I get it. I know what you're thinking. Dude, like, tell me about the welder. How'd it work? Have you used it? What'd you like about it? We didn't even get a seat on the cart. Like, what's going on? I know. I don't know what to tell you. This was recorded over 5 months ago. I was kind of just trying to get clips in there and see what I could record while I was building up the shop with all these tools and stuff in it. And I never really had an objective or anything I was trying to do. So as you watch the rest of these time lapses, these are tools that I've acquired
or equipment, if you will. And you can see me building them all. In the future, hopefully we'll get to talk about them more. I've used the welder extensively at this point. You know, I said I wasn't going to be the welder. Turns out I am. I actually enjoy it. It's quite fun. So I get to do a lot of the welding. I really do enjoy it. And the future videos will hopefully have clearer direction and much more enjoyable to watch.